Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, new chipsets, drivers for AMD was the last video. Well, new drivers for Wi-Fi and for Bluetooth for Intel devices that also enhance compatibility with 25H2 on Windows 11, add new features, and support for some of the latest Wi-Fi 7 devices also. So if your computer is running some devices, the wireless devices are Intel, well, you might want to go here. I will share the links to the two download pages. So these were released on December the 9th, a couple of days ago. You have the Intel wireless Wi-Fi drivers for Windows 10 and 11, so both machines are going to have updates. Do remember that Wi-Fi 7 is not available on Windows 10. It's only a Windows 11 thing, so that does not give you new capabilities on Windows 10. The drivers right here, you just click the download driver right here. The link to this page is going to be in the description below. And there's going to be a second link also for the Intel Bluetooth drivers for Windows 10 and 11, also making improvements on Bluetooth audio, and different Bluetooth device connection. I've had some issues with my Bluetooth not connecting well on this PC with devices all the time. So I'm expecting and hoping that this might actually fix the problem I've been having with connectivity on some devices. Now, how do you know if you need them or not? Of course, you can just download them and click. If it doesn't, you don't have compatible hardware, it's going to tell you, well, no, this driver's not for you. But you can just right-click on the Start button, go into the Device Manager, and you could look up at Bluetooth and see if you've got an Intel device. So I got one here, Intel Wireless Bluetooth. And you can also look at the Device Manager for network adapters for anything that's Intel. So I've got an Intel Wi-Fi 6 on this machine. So that means these drivers will be useful for me. Also, even though I'm on an AMD machine, which means I'll have AMD chipsets updates, and I'll have Intel updates also on this machine that I can apply, which is a lot of drivers and a lot of changes. So it's going to be interesting to see if everything works fine after that. So the links to both the wireless Bluetooth and Wi-Fi drivers for 10 and 11 will be in the description below for you to download if you wish to update your drivers. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.